Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the socket assembly in your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4 inch bit, needle nose pliers, and a No. 1 square head bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the 5 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull out and lift the panel from the backsplash. Detach the ground wire. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the backsplash. Pull the backsplash back and lift up to free it from the dryer. Note the orientation of the wires. Detach the purple, brown, and red wires from the start switch. Now detach the red wire from the signal switch. Detach the purple, yellow, and red wires from the timer. Detach the blue, yellow, brown, and bottom orange wires from the temperature switch. Detach the brown and white wires from the resistor. Unthread the 2 screws securing both of the top panel plates. Detach the solid brown wire from the purple wire. Feed the wires through the panel. Unthread the 2 screws on the top of the panel. Then unthread the 2 screws under the lip of the door threshold. Lift the top panel from the appliance. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the front panel. While supporting the front, unplug the 2 wire harnesses. Lift the panel off the 3 tabs and move it to a flat surface. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the drum support. Now flip the assembly over. Release the retaining clips from the panel. Now release the tabs from the panel. Pull the drum support up and out of the panel. Remove the 2 retaining clips from the assembly. Unthread the screw that secures the socket assembly to the drum support. Unthread the light bulb. To install the new socket assembly, thread the light bulb into the socket. Rethread the screw that secures the socket to the drum support. Snap in the 2 retaining clips. Guide the dryer socket assembly through the panel. Then align and slide the support into place. Push the support down to secure the tabs. Insert the 4 retaining clips into the panel. Flip the assembly over and rethread the 2 screws to secure the support. Set the front panel on the 3 tabs. Then plug in the 2 wire harnesses. Push the panel forward. Then secure it with the 2 screws. Hook the back of the top panel and adjust until it's aligned. Set the panel on the appliance and feed the wires through. Rethread the 2 screws under the door threshold. As well as the 2 screws on the top of the panel. Reattach the solid brown wire to the purple wire. Slide the top plates into position and secure with the 2 screws. Reattach the white and brown wires. Reattach the blue, yellow, brown, and bottom orange wires into the temperature switch. Reattach the purple, yellow, and red wires into the timer. Reattach the red wire into the signal switch. Reattach the purple, brown, and red wires to the start switch. Set the backsplash back into the dryer slots and push forward to lock in place. Rethread the 2 screws. Reattach the ground wire to the panel. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the dryer. Rethread the 5 screws. Plug in the dryer. And your dryer should be ready for use.